गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।
Islam. Founded in 1889, the community spans more than 195 countries, with membership exceeding tens of millions. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community is the only Muslim community to believe that the long-awaited promised Messiah has arrived, in the person of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad of Qadian, India. The promised Messiah claimed to be the metaphorical second coming of Jesus of Nazareth, and the divine guide whose advent was foretold by the holy prophet of Islam, Muhammad, peace be upon him. The community believes that Allah has sent the promised Messiah to end religious wars, condemn bloodshed, and to reinstitute morality, justice, and peace for mankind. The advent of the promised Messiah has brought an unprecedented era of Islamic revival. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community is the leading Islamic organization that categorically rejects any form of terrorism. Over a century ago, the promised Messiah emphatically declared that the doctrine of violent jihad goes against the teachings of the Holy Quran and the practice of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The promised Messiah's advent has ushered in a new era of dialogue, tolerance, and prayer. The promised Messiah penned over 80 books and thousands of articles, delivering countless lectures, engaging in public debate, and prayer duels in an intellectual, spiritual campaign to defend the true honor of Islam. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community is the foremost Islamic organization with a central spiritual leader. Over a century ago, the promised Messiah reminded his followers of Allah's promise to safeguard the message of Islam through Khilafat, the spiritual institution of successorship to prophethood. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community believes that only the spiritual successorship can uphold the true values of Islam and unite humanity. 5 spiritual leaders have succeeded the promised Messiah since his passing in 1908. The 5th head of the community, His Holiness Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, resides in the United Kingdom. Under the leadership of its spiritual successors, the Ahmadiyya Muslim community has built over 15,000 mosques, over 500 schools, and more than 30 hospitals. It has translated the Holy Quran to over 60 languages. The community propagates the peaceful true teachings of Islam through a 24-hour broadcast channel, MTA, through the community's website, alislam.org, and print, Islam International Publications. The community has been at the forefront of disaster response worldwide through an independent charity, Humanity First.
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।